Well, I'm enjoying the slow. So it reminds me of an interesting story which is very critical to wealth creation. When you're catching a chairlift up the mountain, if you only have active income and you don't have businesses that operate for you that generate you passive income, then the time you get to the top of the chairlift, you're actually poorer than you were when you got on. However, the key to creating wealth is to have passive income or semi-passive income, whether that's from businesses or from investing, that the time you get to the top of the chairlift, you've actually become richer. So the question for you today is that if you went skiing today in these beautiful mountains, would you be richer by the end of the day than you were at the start? And unfortunately, most people are in a 9-to-5 corporate job, and they need to save up their money to pay for a holiday, and then have to go back to work to pay for the next one. If you have passive income coming in, you can have an amazing lifestyle because you don't need as much money. You know, $5,000 or $10,000 a month passive income is far better than double that in active income because it continues to come in without you being there. Talk to you soon.